Hi guys, I am Viva and I'll be showing you today my recipe to make Belgian waffles. I have all my ingredients put together here. I'll be using 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of milk, 4 eggs separated, 1 stick of melted butter, which is 4 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half teaspoon salt, and half teaspoon vanilla. I will start with the egg whites and I'll beat them about until I get thick foam. We need that so we can get our waffles more fluffy. This is about how much I beat the egg whites. That's enough. And here I'll be mixing the egg yolks with the sugar. Give them a good mix to incorporate them very well. That's good enough, and to this I'll add my melted butter, the salt, and the vanilla. If you like, you can add your salt with the flour and the baking powder, that's up to you. And I'll beat a little more, again to incorporate everything very well. I'll add my milk and again mix a little. And now it's time to add the flour and the baking powder. They have to be sifted. I don't have a sifter, so I'm using my strainer. And I'll be using my whisk to mix well and incorporate the flour. You don't want to see flour. And the last, we add the egg whites and gently I will incorporate them and trying not to deflate them much because they will give our waffles the fluffiness we want. So just gently with large strokes, be patient, and we're done with our mix. Our waffle mix is ready. I did give a spray on my waffle iron. As you can see, it's very simple. I do flip sometimes the waffles, it depends how they go. I don't have a timer to tell me when the waffle is ready, so I watch it and it takes me about 4 minutes to bake a waffle. And I like to spread my mixture well towards the edges, like that. And see, we get these thingies. I love them very much. They're so crispy and yummy. If you want to do a presentation, however, and having friends and guests visiting, you can take your scissors in case you have them and just cut them gently. And there it is. The waffles are perfect and they're so yummy. And now the good part, we have to eat them. That's the best part. We want to eat these delicious waffles. You can use anything you want. I'm using mixed berries, some ice cream, always some Nutella, little powdered sugar, and we never forget the favorite maple syrup. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did enjoy my video, please give me the thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that support very much. I hope you all have a great day, great evening, and I'll see you next time. Bye!